y'all, today I have a fun project, something a little bit different. I picked up an old Hutch, vintage, antique Hutch, I don't know, from Facebook Marketplace for fairly inexpensive, and I am going to be just treating it real quick, making sure all the wood is good, and then moving it outside as a decor piece on my back porch to display some plants and some of my gardening tools. As always, make sure you hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you know when my latest videos are up, and make sure you jump over and follow me up on TikTok. Okay, I started by wiping the entire piece down just to make sure it was nice and clean, and then I went back and I added this beeswax lemon oil to basically condition the wood and add a little bit of protection to it. It's all natural, so I feel good about it outside around all my plants and my dogs. So I thought that would be nice. It's very easy to just wipe on in circular motions, and then at the end I flip to a clean portion of the rag and wipe off any excess. I love the smell of it, and it felt velvety soft. The furniture felt velvety soft at the very end, so I felt really good about the finish on it. out because I friggin' love it so much. Okay, so this is just trying things out. I don't know if it's staying this way. I put a bunch of my cacti collection on here in a wide variety of pots and containers. A couple of other more interesting, unique pots. I haven't put anything inside yet because I want to think through everything. I put some taller pieces up high to add a little height to the top of it. I think it would be really pretty to have some type of shade plant up there. This will get sun in the morning. This whole side gets sun in the morning, so all of my cacti will do just fine. They were just over here and they had sun as well, and they've done great. I went ahead and rearranged my potted hydrangea garden and went ahead and hooked up the irrigation back to it. These hydrangeas are actually doing pretty well. For those of you who followed along with that particular project, you can see the green buds. I didn't trim any of these back. These were all hydrangeas from a Mother's Day sale that we went back. I don't know, this one might be toast right there, that I've been rehabbing. And so they're looking pretty good. I'm getting green coming up on them, which is pretty exciting. Here's some more over here. So that's pretty exciting to see how those go. And so I got a couple right there and a couple right there. And I did have a 6-pot, but that hydrangea did not make it. So I left that one out. But I love it. I love the look of it. I'm not gonna paint it or mess with it right now. I'm just gonna live with it as is and see what I think about it. And then I can consider painting it in the future. Okay, so a couple of things about this. Usually there's concerns with vintage and antique furniture with people saying, oh, you're gonna ruin it and that kind of stuff. Just know that this piece, while it looks really pretty on camera, it actually has a lot of issues. The bottom of the drawer is rotted out. It's missing a leg. There's some holes in the back. It's pretty rickety. The wood's really dry. I mean, there's a lot going on with this. This is not a beautiful, gorgeous piece that's going to last forever and ever. Also, it's in an area where it will get morning sun, but it won't get any afternoon sun. And I am aware that I am going to need to apply a wood conditioner or like the beeswax lemon oil on a yearly basis to this piece if I want to maintain it for a while. I got this for a really cheap price. The guy said he was either going to sell it for that price or he was just going to trash it, which I was like, okay. So anyway, I was happy with the price, saved it from the dump. I think I'm going to get a lot of years of use out of it, which I'm really excited about. I think it adds really kind of a homey decorative element to the back porch. And so I think this will be a fun one to keep y'all updated on as I continue to use it throughout my gardening, basically career. All right, hope you guys enjoyed today. As always, she's a mad gardener or decorator or anything else that she wants to be. Thanks, y'all.